Good day, welcome. On today's video, we are going to have a look at installing windshields on the side windows of my 2024. It's actually a 2025, but a 2024 RAV4 hybrid. So I purchased these windshields off Bob Shop in South Africa. Link in the description. They actually came from the courier. The first batch, the driver's side one was broken. So if it was any of the others, because I have spares, if it was any of the others, I would have left it. But my driver's side one that I do have is also busted. And I contacted the seller on Bob Shop, and he was kind enough to replace it for me. Thank you, Neville. Appreciate it. As I said, the link in the description. So I have 4 of them for the 4 windows on the RAV4. So I'm going to show you how to install it. I'm going to clean the surfaces first. For sticking things onto a vehicle, I always use methylated spirits to clean the area. I find it to work well. You can also use alcohol, but be careful, it might be strong and there might be discoloration on some plastic parts. So don't be too vigorous with it. I'm going to show you the steps that I'm going to take. So without any further ado, let's get outside. Let's get these guys on the car. Okay guys, you'll see I put an old towel on the roof there. That's just so that these stuff don't scratch the vehicle. Okay. Use only the 2 that you are going to use on these 2 doors. The other 2, leave it there. These things are a millimeter, just over a millimeter thick. These things, if you bump it, it's going to break. So be careful with them. Put them down there. The only reason we have them here is just to quickly check. Put them down first. Just see where, more or less, because some of these things, you need to put them here on this end of this B-pillar. Some of them you need to put here, also on the front doors. You need to check where do they fit. These ones are going to fit on this side and there. Okay. Don't put it in underneath the chrome beading here. It has to go on top of the chrome beading. Okay, so it's going to sit there. Okay. Okay, so I'm happy with that. I just checked it so that I know where to clean them. Okay, this one I need to check where it's going to fit. All right, it's going to sit right on the edge here, and it's going to go on this beading here. Okay, now I know where they are going to mount to, so I know where to clean. Right, so I managed to grab an old microfiber towel, methylated spirits. I'm going to do here, let's clean here. As I said, don't go mad with it. You just need to clean the area where you are going to stick these things on, because they might be full of natural oils that comes out of your hands. Just make sure it's clean, and you are making sure it's clean because you want the tape to stick on the first go. Believe me guys, you do not want to have to re-tape these things, these windshields. They will eat up your whole roll of double-sided tape. Double-sided tape is certainly not the cheapest thing where I'm from, especially if you want a high quality one. Guys, I just want to show you something with this little stick. When you stick it, make sure that your edge goes on this line here, right here. Don't stick it too high so that it touches this part here of the car, the painted part. When you close it, if you stick it, make sure that it's flush here, so that it's not higher. Okay, it's had time to dry now. I'm just gonna wipe it down one more time, just to make sure that we have a perfectly clean surface. Okay, now we can start with the fitment. Okay guys, now you need to know these that I bought here is not original Toyota units, okay? So they might not fit 100% factory, okay? They are a cheaper unit, so you need to make peace with that when you purchase these things. You need to decide, do you want to purchase a unit like this or do you want to go for the originals? That's going to be up to you. So what I'm doing is I have taken this one off so that I can stick it directly to the door there. And then this one, I have left a piece out so that I can pull it out when it's on the car. Alright. So let's go and see how this one will work. Guys, now you need to rub this, but you cannot rub this. It's not like a knife, but it will cut you if you rub it vigorously. So take a little rag, just wipe it like that. Okay, then make sure that you have it lined up perfectly. Pull a piece out, wipe it down. Make sure that you go nice. Don't put any pressure on any piece other than this flat part. Okay. Okay. Again, make sure that you are lined up perfectly on this edge here. Pull a piece out, wipe down. Okay. Follow this line. Again, follow and wipe. Okay viewers, I just want to say here, be careful, because like on the other side now, I've just done, I have put this one 2 to 3 millimeters too far forward on this end. So you can see a little piece of this chrome beading that side, which I'm not too happy with. But as I said, if I peel it off now, I need to replace all this double-sided tape, which is a job and a half that I don't want to do now. I'll get to that at a later stage. Also, here's a photo. You can use clamps to hold it in for a while, just to make sure that the glue sets properly. But also, you can also use a heat gun to heat up this double-sided tape. In fact, I think I'm going to do that this side. It will work better when you heat it up first. So let me get the extension cord out and the heat gun, and then we'll carry on from there. As I said, guys, this is not OEM stuff that I bought here. This is aftermarket things, so there might be areas where they do not fit absolutely perfectly. You'll see here, it's a little bit higher than the door, and here it's a little bit lower. That's unfortunately how it's going to be. As I said, they are not Toyota OEM. I cannot get this thing bent any more than it is. I don't want to shatter this thing, so that's the way it's going to be. Okay guys, as you can see, we have these parts, the front and at the far back, that is chrome. So I got some, it's a wrapping vinyl that you put on, that's gloss black. So I'm going to try and install that now. I hope it works. On the previous car, you won't believe it, I put insulation tape on there, normal black insulation tape, and you would never know it. So let's try that. As I said guys, there's nothing wrong with putting a clamp on these to make sure that they adhere properly. There's nothing wrong with that. I don't have a proper blade. My blades are all blunt, but I did order new ones. They should come during the week. Then I'll trim those a little bit and I can make it look a bit cleaner. That one is gone. Move to the front here. I can't really close this door, but that's not perfect, but it looks alright. And then go to the other side. I have a little clamp on there also. I think it looks fine. Right. Viewers, thank you very much. That was it. It's not very difficult. It's quite easy and quite straightforward. I hope this video has helped you. You can obviously use this method for any other vehicle. I really hope it helped you. Please follow, subscribe, guys. And until the next video, stay safe, take care, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers, guys.